Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the 5K monitor UG49W 49-inch curved immersion masterpiece. This stunning monitor has been getting a lot of buzz lately, and I've got to say, it's definitely living up to the hype. First off, let's talk about the ultrawide 49-inch curved immersion feature. Imagine stepping into a massive cinema screen right from your desk. That's what this curved display offers. With its 1500R curvature, you'll feel like you're floating in a world of cinematic wonder. And with a 32:9 aspect ratio, you can multitask like a pro, working on multiple projects side by side without any bezels getting in the way. Just imagine being able to have two full QHD screens right next to each other. It's like having an extra brain. Now, let's dive into the Dual QHD resolution for maximum productivity feature. You might be wondering what that means, but trust me, it's game-changing. Essentially, this monitor is combining two QHD screens side by side, giving you 4 times the resolution and clarity of a standard 1080p screen. It's like having an extra set of eyes to work with. And with features like picture-in-picture, PIP, and picture-by-picture, PBP, you can easily display content from multiple sources simultaneously, whether that's working on a project, gaming, or video editing. Next up, we have the 165Hz smooth performance and 1 millisecond response feature. This means that your monitor is capable of showing over 165 frames per second, making motion look silky smooth and eliminating screen tearing like never before. And with this 1 millisecond response time, you can expect crisp, responsive visuals even in fast-paced games or action-packed movies. Now, I know some of you might be serious gamers out there, and that's where the Pro Gaming Assist features come in. This monitor is equipped with features like crosshair for improved aiming accuracy, shadow balance for enhanced visibility in dark scenes, and an on-screen timer to track game sessions. It's like having your own personal gaming coach. These features are specifically designed to help you take your gameplay to the next level. Last but not least, let's talk about the KVM switch and adjustable stand feature. This built-in KVM functionality lets you control 2 devices with just one set of keyboard and mouse, no more fumbling around with multiple remotes or switches. And with an ergonomic stand that offers tilt and height adjustments, you can find a comfortable viewing position that suits your needs. In terms of connectivity, the 5K monitor UG49W has got it all covered. With built-in speakers, you'll get instant, balanced audio for gaming, videos, or music. No need to plug in your favorite sound system. And with Type-C support and HDMI 2.1 connectivity, you can plug in any device that's part of the modern ecosystem. But don't just take my word for it, this monitor has received rave reviews from customers who bought it online. With a stellar 4.5-star rating and over 1,058 reviews to back it up, it's clear that this monitor is a winner in the world of gaming and productivity. If you're still on the fence about whether or not this monitor is right for you, I've got some good news. You can check out the best price for yourself by clicking the link below. Trust me, your wallet and your workflow will thank you.